Okay, this is another area I used to hang out at. We call it the Little Falls because there's actually supposed to be a little bitty fall way over there.
I know that. Oh,
Now, mind you, I used to go all the way down there and throw rocks into the river. There's actually a cobblestone area right over there. And you used to stand on the rock area and throw rocks into the water. But look at where it is now. Now, mind you, we're on a little rockway. This was all just built. We used to walk all the way down there. All the way there. Now, mind you, it was up to there yesterday.
Liz, come this way. Better. You got Bill come here. Go to the fence. What? I'm not gonna fall. Somebody left their stuff there again.
I think you actually saw a picture of a sunset that I took right over there.
I wanna hold it.
There is a fall over there somewhere.
Actually, it's
Where
right
it is
over
now?
here now.
I don't know.
It's right over here now.
Can't spell it.
Oh, it ain't?
No. Alright.
Mom keeps driving.
Because she doesn't want to keep walking up for it. Look at this. The treetops. And these are semi-old trees too. Look. Top of the tree. Water. Top of trees. Top of little trees. Water.
Come on. Now over here we have something.
Now look. This guy right here has had a garden here every year.
Now.
Hold on.
Can I speak for this one?
Had a garden here every year. Look at
Can I
that.
speak for this one?
And Kayla's
Now,
driving me
over
crazy.
here we have a tree flooded. And over here we have somebody doing a picnic. And it never got. We have here, over there, we have rocks. And somewhere around here somewhere we have a little river. Oh, right there. Well, between those two. And so they have a picnic. And see, like, it's flooding up. And here there used to be an area here where you could walk on. You started from there and go down, 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 all the way down. Then you could like look at the river and just go walk in the river.
Didn't you guys come here with me once?
Yes.
You came here with me once where we went on the rocks to throw rocks into the river?
Yeah.
I'm almost positive you did.
Now, there's also we have a place here that are flooded and now we can't go in there. Because then we'll drown and we'll float right in there and go. And we'll drown and die. Because some people do not know how to swim like me. I don't know how to swim like me either does. And now I have a flower that I can throw into the water in 5 seconds. So what? I guess what then?
Alright, say goodbye.
Goodbye, Mr. Ray. Bye. And here we have all floods. That stinks. But we could go swimming at the beach. This could be our beach. We go in the water. That could be our beach.
But there's all kinds of poop in the water now.
Ew.
Still want to go swimming in the water?
No. They can go to the beach. But the dogs can.
Say goodbye.